Berth here, deep pontoon at Swanwick Marina. Owner is moving off to the Mediterranean, hopefully with his next boat, which means this one potentially could stay here. That's really important to mention at the moment, as berthing is really difficult around here. Massive premium, and to get a lovely finger mooring like this here at Swanwick is a pretty unique opportunity. So hopefully we can combine the two and keep her local. So basically we just knock our throttles back into neutral there. This is the gadget we're talking about. They do different types of remote depending on what you want. So you can have two shaft controls. This particular one's got the twist function on here, which is going to use our pod drives. So basically you turn the dashboard switch on there, and this one as well. And you'll hear it beeping as it just goes through its connectivity phase. So we've got a double tap on here, get flashing lights here, and if we put the docking button on now on the joystick, we've got complete control of the boat. So if I let go of that, engines go back into neutral. We've got a little green light on there to show that it's got control. What we're just going to do is leave the helm, take you up on the bow and show you how this might work. So imagine having this hanging around your neck, coming into a mooring. You haven't got lots of crew with you. Perhaps you need to leave the dock on your own for whatever reason. Using that green buoy as a reference over there, so we can twist the top on the boat here, and that's going to bring us round. You can see that nose coming round onto the buoy. We're on low speed at the moment, so if I push S, which is the sport mode, it will actually give me a few more RPMs, and we can actually now push it forward, and we are driving. So we are off, as you can see there. Leave the dock on your own for whatever. Coming round onto the buoy.